Sentinels of the sky, a glimpse into the orbital ballet. Have you ever looked up at the night sky, perhaps on a clear evening, and felt a sense of wonder, and wondered about the silent sentinels orbiting our planet? These silent guardians tirelessly circling above us are more than just specks of light. These are satellites, marvels of human ingenuity, ceaselessly circling Earth in a delicate dance of physics and engineering. They are the result of decades of scientific progress and technological advancements. They are our eyes in the sky, our ears listening to the cosmos, and our messengers across continents. From high above, they capture images, relay signals, and gather data that is crucial for our daily lives. These technological marvels are more than just metal in space. They are intricate machines, each component meticulously designed to withstand the rigors of space. They represent our ambition to understand the universe and our place within it. Each satellite is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. They help us communicate, navigate, predict the weather, and even understand our impact on the planet. Without them, modern life as we know it would be vastly different. But what do these celestial voyagers actually look like? Each satellite is unique, designed for specific missions and equipped with specialized instruments. How do they function in the harsh environment of space? They must endure extreme temperatures, radiation, and the vacuum of space, all while performing their tasks flawlessly. Join me as we delve into the world of satellites, exploring their diverse forms, their crucial roles, and their profound impact on our lives. Together, we will uncover the secrets of these incredible machines and appreciate the silent ballet they perform above us every day. Riding the Firetail, a satellite's journey to space. Imagine a rocket, a marvel of modern engineering standing tall on the launch pad, ready to embark on an extraordinary journey. As the countdown reaches zero, the engines roar to life, creating a pillar of fire and smoke, tearing through the atmosphere with immense power and speed. Within this technological marvel lies a precious payload, a satellite, meticulously crafted and poised to join the celestial ballet of objects orbiting our planet. The journey to space is fraught with challenges, each step a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly, ensuring every component functions flawlessly. Once the rocket escapes Earth's gravitational pull, it reaches the designated altitude and deploys the satellite into its predetermined orbit, a moment of triumph and relief for the entire team. This is where the real magic begins. The satellite, now free from the constraints of Earth's atmosphere, starts to unfold its solar panels, harnessing the sun's energy to power its systems. Free from atmospheric drag, the satellite can now orbit the Earth for years, even decades, powered by the sun's energy and guided by the immutable laws of physics. It becomes a silent sentinel, watching over our planet. But the journey is far from over. In the vast expanse of space, the satellite must perform a series of delicate maneuvers to ensure it reaches the correct position and orientation. Using its onboard thrusters, it carefully adjusts its trajectory, stabilizing itself in the precise orbit required for its mission. Only then can it begin its mission, diligently carrying out the tasks it was designed for. Whether it's capturing high-resolution images of Earth, monitoring weather patterns, or facilitating global communications, the satellite plays a crucial role in our daily lives, a testament to human achievement and the wonders of space exploration. Diverse dancers in the cosmic ballroom, the many forms of satellites. Satellites are not one-size-fits-all. They are as varied as the tasks they perform, each uniquely designed to meet specific needs and challenges in space. They come in a dazzling array of shapes and sizes, each tailored to fulfill a specific purpose. From small CubeSats that can fit in the palm of your hand, to massive geostationary satellites that weigh several tons, the diversity is astounding. Some resemble giant birds with outstretched solar panels, capturing the sun's energy to power their systems. Others look like metallic spheres, studded with sensors, designed to gather and transmit data back to Earth. There are communication satellites, beaming signals across the globe, connecting us through television, phone calls, and the internet. These satellites form the backbone of our global communication network, enabling instant connectivity across continents. Weather satellites act as our vigilant observers, tracking storms, predicting weather patterns, and helping us prepare for natural disasters. They provide critical data that meteorologists use to forecast the weather, ensuring our safety and preparedness. And then, there are the scientific research satellites, peering deep into the cosmos, unraveling the mysteries of black holes, distant galaxies, and the very fabric of space-time. These satellites are our eyes in the universe, expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. Each satellite, regardless of its form or function, plays a vital role in expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They are the unsung heroes of modern science and technology, silently orbiting above, tirelessly working to gather and relay information that shapes our world. Whispers from above, how satellites touch our daily lives. We may not always realize it, but satellites are deeply intertwined with our daily lives. They are the unseen hands that guide our GPS systems, allowing us to navigate unfamiliar cities and find our way home. They are the watchful eyes that monitor our planet's health, tracking deforestation, pollution levels, and the impact of climate change. They even allow us to share our lives with the world, beaming live events and news broadcasts across continents. The next time you check the weather forecast, watch a live sporting event, or use your GPS to find a new restaurant, take a moment to appreciate the silent sentinels orbiting above, diligently working to make our lives easier, safer, and more connected. Section 5. Eyes in the sky, knowledge in our hands, the power of satellite imagery. Imagine holding the world in your hand, or at least a detailed image of it. Satellite imagery has revolutionized our understanding of the planet, providing us with a global perspective previously unimaginable. From tracking the movement of glaciers to monitoring the health of rainforests, satellite imagery has become an indispensable tool for scientists, researchers, and policymakers. It allows us to witness both the beauty and the fragility of our planet, urging us to become better stewards of this pale blue dot we call home. But the power of satellite imagery extends beyond scientific research. It's used in agriculture to monitor crop yields, in disaster relief to assess damage and coordinate aid, and even in archaeology to uncover hidden ruins and ancient civilizations. Section 6. The future unfolds, satellites and the advancement of humanity. As we venture further into the 21st century, satellites will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping our future. They hold the key to bridging the digital divide, connecting remote communities and providing access to education and healthcare for all. Imagine a future where satellites beam internet access to the most remote corners of the globe, empowering individuals and fostering global collaboration. Imagine a future where early warning systems powered by satellites help us predict and mitigate natural disasters, saving countless lives. The possibilities are truly limitless. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of space exploration, satellites will be at the forefront, helping us unlock the mysteries of the universe and create a better future for all humankind. Section 7. A call to explore, embracing the wonders above. The next time you find yourself gazing up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the silent ballet of satellites dancing above. They are a testament to human ingenuity, our unquenchable thirst for knowledge, and our desire to connect with the cosmos. Explore the world of satellites further. Learn about the different types, their missions, and the vital roles they play in our lives. Share this knowledge with others, inspiring a sense of wonder and appreciation for the wonders of space exploration. Together, let us embrace the wonders above and continue to push the boundaries of human achievement, reaching for the stars and unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Section 8. Conclusion. Our intertwined destiny with the stars. From the early days of Sputnik to the sophisticated satellites of today, our journey into space has been marked by relentless curiosity, boundless imagination, and an unyielding determination to reach beyond the confines of our planet. Satellites are not merely tools or objects, they are extensions of our collective ambition, our desire to explore, understand, and connect with the universe around us. As we move forward, let us remember that our destiny is inextricably linked to the stars. By continuing to explore, innovate, and dream big, we can harness the power of satellites to create a